I'm Ava, and welcome to Korean Ladder.
안녕하세요, 하나입니다. 코리안 라더에 오신 걸 환영해요.
안녕하세요. 준호입니다. 오늘은 쇼핑할 때 부담 없이 말하는 표현을 배워요.
Here's my store panic. A clerk asks if I need help, but I only want to browse. What do I say without sounding rude?
좋은 질문이에요. A natural answer is 그냥 구경할게요. In English, it means I'll just look around.
And after you look at one item but do not want to decide yet, say 생각해 볼게요. In English, I'll think about it.
So today is not about bargaining. It's about creating a polite little exit from pressure.
맞아요. The grammar shape is verb stem plus 을게요 or 리을게요. It shows your own polite plan.
구경하다 means to look around or browse. 구경할게요 means I'll browse or I'll look around.
Add 그냥 at the front and it becomes softer. 그냥 means just with no big plan.
생각하다 means to think. 생각해 보다 means to think it over or consider it.
I like that. 생각해 볼게요. Feels less like a hard no and more like, let me consider it.
네, 직원이 처음 다가왔을 때는 그냥 구경할게요가 가장 자연스러워요. In English, use it right when staff approach.
물건을 본 다음에는 생각해 볼게요가 좋아요. In English, after you check an item, say you'll think about it.
예문 들어볼게요. 직원이 도와드릴까요? 라고 물으면 그냥 구경할게요 라고 답할 수 있어요.
또 다른 예문이에요. 가격을 듣고 바로 사기 어렵다면 생각해 볼게요라고 하면 자연스러워요.
Can I add thank you? Like, 감사합니다. 그냥 구경할게요.
네, 아주 좋아요. You can say 감사합니다. 그냥 구경할게요. It sounds polite and calm.
If the staff recommended something and you want to leave without buying, 감사합니다. 생각해 볼게요 is very useful.
So, 구경할게요 is for browsing and 생각해 볼게요 is for deciding later.
맞아요. Now listen to a short store dialogue. The real Korean lines are on the card. 도와드릴까요?
아니요, 감사합니다. 그냥 구경할게요.
네, 천천히 보세요.
Notice, 천천히 보세요. It means please take your time looking. You may hear this after your answer.
That's comforting. If they say, 천천히 보세요, I don't need to buy immediately.
이번에는 물건을 본 뒤의 대화예요. This time, you looked at an item, but you are not buying now.
이 신발로 하시겠어요?
감사합니다. 생각해 볼게요.
네, 편하게 보세요. 편하게 보세요 means please look comfortably or feel free to look. It is a common friendly store phrase.
Repeat after me time. I'll try the first one. 그냥 구경할게요.
좋아요. One more time a little smoother. 그냥 구경할게요.
그냥 구경할게요.
완벽해요. Now try the second one. 생각해 볼게요.
생각해 볼게요.
좋아요. And if you want extra politeness, put 감사합니다 first. 감사합니다. 생각해 볼게요.
감사합니다. 생각해 볼게요.
Common mistake. English speakers sometimes say only 아니요 because they mean no. But in a store, 아니요 alone can sound too abrupt.
So if I only say 아니요, it can feel like I'm shutting the door.
맞아요. A better line is 아니요, 감사합니다. 그냥 구경할게요. It gives a soft no and a clear plan.
Another mistake is using 살게요 too early. 살게요 means I'll buy it. If you are only browsing, do not say 살게요.
Important
구경할게요.
means I'll look around.
살게요.
Means I'll buy it. Very different shopping outcomes.
퀴즈예요. A clerk approaches right away and asks, 도와드릴까요? Which answer is most natural if you are only browsing?
I'm choosing A because this is the first approach, not after I inspected one item.
정답은 A예요. 아니요, 감사합니다. 그냥 구경할게요. It is polite and it tells the staff you are only looking.
B. 생각해 볼게요 is better after you have looked at a specific item. C. 살게요 means you will buy it.
Second check. You tried on a jacket, heard the price, and want to leave politely without buying now. What sounds most natural?
This time I choose A
감사합니다. 생각해 볼게요.
because I'm delaying the decision.
정답은 A예요. 감사합니다. 생각해 볼게요. It is a soft way to say not now without sounding rude.
정리해 볼게요. 첫째, 직원이 처음 다가오면 그냥 구경할게요. In English, when staff first approach, say, I'll just look around.
둘째, 물건을 본 뒤에는 생각해 볼게요. In English, after you consider one item, say, I'll think about it.
셋째, 감사합니다를 붙이면 더 부드러워요. In English, adding thank you makes your answer more polite and less abrupt.
넷째, 살게요는 살 때만 써요. In English, 살게요 means I'll buy it, so do not use it for browsing.
My keeper sentence is
아니요. 감사합니다. 그냥 구경할게요.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 아니요, 감사합니다. 그냥 구경할게요.
다음에는 사이즈 있어요와 다른 색 있어요를 배워요. This was Korean ladder. See you on the next rung.